Good morning, everybody. Rick here. Today is Monday, June 5th. Time is 10:18 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So, been away for a while. I have just not felt like trading and just wanted to spend time with my kids, being that they're out of school. So that's pretty much what I did all last week. I did a little bit of trading, just didn't do any videos. And probably videos are going to be sporadic from here on out. For probably the rest of the summer. So I spend a lot of time outside during the summer, and while my trading strategy doesn't change much, the way I scale out does. And so let me show you where I'm at right now. I'm actually in this trade long, was 10 contracts, 47 even. So, and it was based off of this cluster area right here. The total volume was extremely high compared to previous bars. Got in here, took a little bit of heat, and peeled 5 off at 22. So, and I'm still holding these other 5, and I am just going to hold them. I'm going to just watch where the 8 moving average sits and kind of hide behind that accordingly right now. So long 5 contracts, 47 even. I'm going to go ahead and move my stop up to 47.10. And I will have a final take profit set at 48 even at this point. So got a cluster here. Not sure if it's a reversal sequence. It's set up, but it looked like it's happening too quick. And then with us being deep oversold as well, I think we got a really good chance of pushing on back up to around the value area high. So might get a little congestion up in here. So actually we got to break on through the value area low first, and there's a lot of volume there as well. So, but I still think we're going to push on up in this area here for the fact it's been trickling down pretty much all night. Let's see here. Yeah, pretty much all night. So we're just going to hold on to this. So I'm not going to scale out much anymore. I'm just going to let the stop take everything out, and hopefully I can get 5 contracts off at 48 even. So that's the hope anyway. So, all right, guys, I'll be back a little bit later, and we'll see where we end up at this point. So, all right, be back shortly. All right, so we got a pullback here. Reached down to 47.10, but did not take me out. So it's weird, but I'll take it. So still in this trade. I'm going to go ahead and see if I can pull 2 of them off at 47.30. For 30 ticks. So 2. And then we'll just let the last 3 ride out at that point. All right, I'll be back in just a bit. All right, stopped out there finally. So wish I would have got that one off here. So kind of sloppy today, but kind of what happens when you take a week off. So think I might try to get long again back around 47 even level, and that will be my last trade if we can get in. So I'm gonna watch and see. All right, I'll be back. Okay, I just pulled a trigger right here off this deviation line, 47.02, long 10 contracts. Look to pull a half off 47.12. Stop is going to be sitting at 46.92 right now. Let me get all this set up. So stop. And we'll see if we can get a decent, at least half off break even on this trade here. All right, be back in a bit. All right, I went ahead and scratched this trade at 46.98 for a negative 2 ticks. Still a lot of down pressure running into this. So this is the current low of the day right here, 46.93. So kind of watch. I want to see what kind of reaction we get off of this level here. So all right, be back in a bit. All right, so got in long right here off the low of the day, 46.93, 10 contracts. Started seeing some absorption right there with 91.92. So I think we'll start pushing back up from this point here, hopefully. So we'll see. Look to pull half off at 47.03. Stop is going to be sitting at 46.85 for an 8-tick stop right now. All right, I'll be back. All right, so stepped away for a bit. Looked like I got half off at 47.03. So that probably happened over here somewhere. Yeah, probably over here. Recent. So that leaves me 5 contracts long, 46.93. Let me see, 03, 13, 23. And I'll see if I can pull 2 off at, what did I say? 23. 47.23. And then at that point, if it does come off, I will just set it trailing stop and let the rest play out. So this is my last trade too. All right, be back in a bit. Okay, guys. This is the trade, but not really pay attention deal. So I got 2 of them off at 47.23. So let's see where that happened at. Probably, was it over here? One of these, I'm not sure exactly where I'm at in this video. So I'm still 3 contracts long. And at this point, I'm just going to turn it into a 20. Let's see, how many is 9303? So that's for 30 ticks. I'm going to just turn this last 3 into a 20-tick trailing stop. Close that. Oh, that ain't it. Trailing stop. And then we'll just let the rest play out from this point here. So trailing stop, 20 ticks. Set sail, 3 contracts, and boom. Okay, we're in, and the trail right now is set at 47.05, so that locks in 12 ticks, looks like. So, all right, guys. I don't know when I'll be back, so I'll finish this video up eventually. So, like I said, it's gonna be kind of sporadic. Then it's the summer now, so I don't trade nowhere near as heavy as I do when school is in session. So, but I will keep trading just to stay fresh and answer any questions that you guys might have. So, but I'll be back when they get out of this trade, or when they stop, the trailing stop gets hit. So, all right, I'll be back after a while. All right, guys. Time is 3:37 Eastern Standard Time. I've been out with ice cream with my kids and got the alert that I got stopped out sometime. This happened a while back. So, stopped out there 47.29. So that is, I don't know, around 30 ticks, whatever my entry point was. So, probably got stopped out here or here, somewhere in this area. So, anyway, 30 ticks for the day, and I'll take it for not really actively watching this market. And we'll see if we trade anymore for the rest of the week. But so, guys, I just kind of wanted to give y'all that heads up that things won't be as consistent here right now, but I'll still be trading. And if you have any questions, I'm still around. All right, guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. All right, bye.